In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove credit card from Venmo. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to launch the Venmo app on your smartphone. Now navigate to settings, so tap on the menu icon. So this is the three horizontal lines located in the top left corner of the screen. Now in the menu, scroll down and select Settings or Account Settings. Then choose Payment Methods or Payment Preferences. Now remove your credit card. So under the Payment Methods section, you'll see a list of the payment methods linked to your Venmo account. So find the credit card you want to remove and tap on it to select it. Now, once you've selected the credit card you want to remove, you should see an option to remove or delete the card. So simply tap on this option. Now confirm your removal. So Venmo will typically ask you to confirm that you want to remove the credit card. So confirm your decision to proceed with removing the card from your account. So verify the removal. So after confirming, Venmo should display a confirmation message indicating that the credit card has been successfully removed from your account. Also review your payment methods. Double check the payment method section to ensure that the credit card has been removed and is no longer listed as a payment option. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.